So if you got some serious names attached to this, man.
79, we ended up going to a church in Carson. It's called United Samoan Church in off of Double Street. Them Samoans are like different. They had athletes. The unity was Samoans was together. They were doing all kinds of different things. They had the Carson Banning, the rivalry, the Michael Allo story, Soma, Scott Park. I mean, of course, they have their gangs too as well, but a lot of athletes, entertainer came up from out of there. If I didn't move to Carson, I wouldn't have put this film together. In 1985, we did a tour with Ice-T in Blue City up in San Jose Convention Center. You know, after that era kind of went away, the LA just took a turn. I probably came into the second wave. There was a first wave of Booyah with the Funky Soldiers, which it was the Booyah's first album. Some disagreement that kind of like fell apart, you know, in some kind of way. And then I came into the second part of it, which is the Tribe Kings, consists of me, Michael Allo, Alan Toe, Gotti, and Godfather. So if you hear music like pretty much us on the doing the background vocals for it. We ended up doing background vocals for Kid Frost too, as well, called "The Thin Line." And we performed with Kid Frost at Arsenio Hall.
Performing their current hit single, Raid. Give it up for Booyah Tribe.
Yeah, that's pretty much my scope of being in entertainment. You know, these brothers actually embraced me into it. And so I was exposed to the entertainment as a youngster. These relationships kind of helped me with this film later on down the line with my life. And so that's how all this connections came about.